Hey, what's going on, guys? It's the OG, the dog trader. I just flipped my lighter over there. I'm sitting awful high. Don't mind the steering wheel in the way. We're doing the best we can. Back again. Gonna ramble a little bit. I'm sitting here outside of work. I wound up a few minutes early. Had to take my daughter's watch over to the I guess service provider, and they looked at it and they're going to warranty it. We're going to get a new one. Thought it would take a lot longer, but I just came on to work. Wanted to hop on, show you guys what we got today. Most things never change. Some things do. First, we'll say we've got the from Slater Leather Works, Erica's EDC. This is her YouTube channel and Instagram. This is her leather slip that I carry my Nip-X pliers in that do get carried every day. And they have got an amazing mold to this thing. I just really dig this. It's starting to take some patina now. We really enjoy carrying that. It's a must for my daily. We'll see. Put that back down there. The next thing, excuse me, is my Slater Leather Works, and I forgot to tell you guys, this is incognito carrot is what she has termed this leather as. So if you don't have one, get you one. If you only got one, get you multiple. Trust me, can't go wrong. This is a wallet she makes. One of the wallets she makes. She makes tons of stuff, but it's got card slots here, slot in the middle. That's where I keep I gotta have a special little card to get in the gate up here at work, so I have to carry that stupid thing with me all the time. It's just all around a great one. It's starting to take a little bit of patina too. Just a great small minimalist type wallet. Staying with that pocket, I guess. Yeah, we'll do that pocket. This Lynch Northwest, I don't know, All Access Pass something. I keep that in my pocket and I stick it, and it'll stay just like that. Well, not out here in the open, it doesn't. And I've lost it now. That's gonna put a damper on my life here. But I think I just seen it. Nope. Anyway, I carry it right there, and in my pocket, everything just stays the same, nice and tight. We do it live here, everybody, so I'm trying to find that pry bar because I'm gonna undoubtedly need it to open a cabinet or something here in the next short amount of time. It's basically my flathead screwdriver, a miniature pry bar for things. I'll find that before I go into work. And no big worry. So in that same pocket, this carries clipped on the pocket. It's this one's a copper I5T, and it does have some good patina. You can't really see it because of the lighting, but it doesn't have to be a copper one, as long as it is a single, double A, or triple A light that provides enough light for me. That's what I need. I have a large one I carry in my back pocket while I'm here at work too. Streamlight Stinger HL. It's green and black. Who cares? You know, it lights everything up. But when I'm in close, I need something not as bright because the light just bounces off and blinds me from the big one. So I carry this one, and it's good for everything else. Working on the truck, looking under the couch when you drop something, blah blah blah. That's the Olight i5T. I love it. I'm not going to show you all the stuff on this thing. This is a Victorinox freaking, maybe it's the Huntsman. So it's got a saw and a pair of scissors, if that helps anybody. We carry these doohickeys on the corkscrew, and this is just a round piece of steel in that thing. And it screws right into the corkscrew, right here. And there's also a fire tender right there. So, you know, it looks cool. It's orange. There it is. Victorinox Huntsman, I believe. Sorry, I'm getting a text from, I think, my boss. I don't know. We'll check that in a little while. It ain't that important. I'll be in there in a minute. Moving on to the other pocket. I've started carrying a Zippo instead of a Bic at work, and this thing's probably going to make a fool out of me and not light. There it goes. Mainly because we're not supposed to carry Bics, so they don't blow up on us. And this is Wiggles. Anybody knows about Wiggles, holler at me down in the comments, and you know what's up when it comes to the Wiggles. It's nothing special. It's a 24 model Zippo, blah blah blah. You know what? I updated my phone, and I can't promise you, I don't know when I updated if it flipped my camera back around, so everything may be backwards again. If it is, somebody holler at me and tell me it's backwards in the comments. If you can't read this correctly, where it says Zippo, if it's backwards. So there's that. The Lufkin, which, as I was getting ready to shoot this video, I was taking things out of my pocket, and I dropped this sucker and had to dig around for it, like I'm going to have to for my pry bar here in a minute when I get off here. But this is the Lufkin. We've had something tragic happen. You can see the gap around this thing, and as I keep rotating, see where it gets smaller right there? I've crushed that thing somewhere. But not to fear, I have many of these, the exact same ones, and I kind of collect tape measures, the pocket tape measures, not the big 25 foot, 16 foot, 35 foot. I don't collect them. I have a bunch of those too, but they're not a collection. I collect like the 3, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12 foot tape measures you can carry in your pocket. I don't know why. I just really enjoy them. Slip joint that's being carried today. Oh, it's in a Slater Leather Works Carrot, and this is just the orange leather. Man, look how that thing's molded. Can anybody guess what knife is in this? I'll show you. And this one is my 1970 Red Bone 05 razor. And yes, I use every knife that I own just about. I think I've got 2 Safe Queens that I just haven't brought myself to carry yet, and they're both new old stock 70s cases. One's a Muskrat and one's a 18 pattern Stockman that has a punch and awl on it instead of actually it has a spade blade that says for flesh only. It has the Turkish clip point, and then it also has the punch or the awl to take the place of the sheep's foot. I was going to try, and I'm not going to try it because I'll knock that phone down. So that's the razor. It does have patina on it. I flipped some sausage patties with it this morning. It's got that. It also has a pin blade. This is a 6205R pattern. There's been an influx of seeing these lately on YouTube and Instagram. For anybody who doesn't know, I am a huge fan of the razor pattern. And I don't care who makes it. I've got Pakistani, I've got Rough Rider, Frost, Case, Boker. I don't know. I've got a bunch of them. I have a bunch of razors. So if anybody's looking to move one, holler at your boy. That's what I'm about. I'm about razor jackknives. I'll do single blade or 2-blade. Love them. Let's just take a minute to take this bone in here. This is not the same jig as that one that Dwayne from Cross Creek Outdoors had. His looked more of like a corn cob that was really worn from the pocket. I don't know what this one is. Maybe it's a Rogers. Also, the man, the myth, the legend, Wes from Doom Crew, he had the coolest photo that he posted on Instagram of his new 31. It's a 65 to 69 31 pattern jack, and his razor, both from the 70s and both in red bone, that he posted on Instagram. It had a Zippo in it and those two knives. One of the best pictures I've ever seen on Instagram. Got a hair sticking straight down right there. Oh well. But if most of you, I'm going to say everybody that is watching this knows who Wes is. But if you don't, and if you don't, go check him out right now. And secondly, if you do know who he is, go over to his Instagram and blow that picture up. Share it to your story. Share it to all your groups. Like it. Comment. Tell him how freaking sick that is. I also have a red bone 31. So I was thinking about doing an ode to him one day. Maybe when my camera gets to working again on my phone. I can't quit showing you guys this knife. That I would post a picture similar to his, showing mine, because I have this one's a 1970, and the my 31 is like a 1972, and it's had a blade delete. It's a single spear point blade, 32 in red bone, and it's dope. But go check out Doom Crew. Go watch his videos. Tell him, hey man, we're waiting on a video, because his videos are worth waiting on. I'm at 12 minutes. You guys probably aren't going to watch this. This is the newest one I got. This is a Spyderco Delica Sprint Run. It's a micro melt PD1. This is going to be extremely similar to a crew wear. It's got a coated blade, 4-position clip. I've got to keep an eye on this time, because I've got to make sure I got enough time to get into work and get into my FRs and catch the bus and all that jazz. But I have plenty of time. Tell you guys that my life is anything but ordinary. That I do work a crap ton, and then I have 3 boys that play baseball and 1 daughter that runs track, and they're always doing something, and we're always on the run, and I don't get to hang out and show you guys how to put light bulbs in and things like that you should already know how to do. Enough about that. This is the exclusive Delica. They made these. They made them all the way to, I think they even did a man bug. So man bug all the way up to like Police 4, which is a gigantic knife. All made in Seeky City. They got the 4-way, or they have the 4-way ambidextrous clip. But we carry ours tip up the way the good Lord intended it. The Spyderco Delica, my opinion, is the quintessential EDC knife. Check out the blade thickness on this. I mean, it's super thin, slicey. It's full flat grind. You can get them in a saber grind. I don't see so many of those floating around anymore. I think the foliage green handled one that has partial serrations, it's in a saber grind, and you have serrations about a little over halfway back on them, and it'll be Sabre ground. I'm bouncing between this one and my orange Hap 40 Sprint Run Delica currently for every day. It's crazy that I have Sabenzas, Medfords, I don't know, all kinds of crazy knives, and I still end up carrying one of these 95% of the time. But if you have never tried a Delica, do me a favor and go try one. Another shameless plug, I'm rolling up on 16 minutes already. I got all kinds. I could talk for days and days. If anybody that knows me watches this, they can attest to it. Erica's EDC, she has, I don't know if she's posted her month-long review on this knife yet, but she's been reviewing this one in the month of February, and she also reviewed a less than acceptable knife from Montana Knife Company, but we'll leave it at that there and let you make the decisions. Try it for yourself. Watch what she has to say. You do whatever you want to do. And if you want to pay $300 for some mushy Magna Cut, go for it. You know, it's your money. You do whatever you want. I'm not gonna clown you for it. No. So that's that. Go check out what she has to say. She has reviews on tons of knives. This is not her first Delica review, but it is a review of the steel that Spyderco has put in these knives. Lost my train of thought for a second, but go check out what she has to say. She's got good videos on tons of custom fixed blades, the 940, the Emerson A100, Spyderco Delica, the Native 5, all kinds of things, the Spyderco Sage, the Sage 5, I guess it is. Just good stuff to watch, and real good humor and real good mom jokes, so we're all down for that, right? Is there anything else I need to handle while I'm here, other than the fact I am still alive? There haven't been Instagram posts and shorts because I hate to even say it, because Apple is the greatest phone made, but my back camera has went out again. The first time it went out, they replaced it under warranty. I don't know if they will this time or not. I may ride out there Thursday or Friday and have them look at this, because I'm off those days, and see what they say. I'm not going to pay $600 to get my camera fixed. I'll just go get a new one, the new 16, and frankly, I don't know that I want it fixed, because it's just going to do it again. But all that big long story to come around to say, hey, that's why I haven't posted on Instagram and I haven't made shorts, because my back camera isn't working, and I can make videos with my front camera, so I'm making you guys a video. Let's see, officially baseball, high school baseball is starting this week, and practice for my youngest one is starting this week. Track season starts this week, so we've got a jam-packed week already. We got games, meets, things like that. It's like tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So and then practices as well. So we can throw Wednesday in there too. There's a practice on Wednesday as well. So every day's booked up this week with something. So we're going to try and get as many out to you as we can. But just know that I'm always around. I'm always lurking. And guys, holler at me down in the comments. Tell me what you think. What do you think about any of this? Tell me, hey, I hate your guts. And hey, we'll like that too. You know, I won't delete your comment. I might even pin you to the top if you say something like that. And just be ready for something smart out to come back to you. But hey, that's all part of it. So holler at your boy. If you're looking to dog trade on some razors, holler at your boy. I've got another razor right here. This is one I've just been, I don't know why I had it in my truck, but that's the Smoky Valley Sunset and Carbon 1095 from Smoky Mountain Knife Works that I carry. Well, I don't carry it. It's been in here a few days, and it's in a carrot, incognito carrot. I was going to say it backwards, from Slater Leather Works. You know what? I think these are the ones I had the other night when I went to the ball field to throw the reed. I left them in here because I was carrying that and this light splint. I think it's called splint. That my boy Sean from Watch City Knives sent to me. This thing's pretty slick. It's N690. This is like the it's got a thumb hole, a front flipper, and a flipper tab. And there's a plethora of ways to open this thing. It's on bearings. So, and I might try to show you if I can. I don't know if I can. Yeah, there it goes. Front flip with my thumb. I can't do it with my index finger yet. I haven't got that good. I do play with it though to try. Yep, there we go. Try to do it. That's a pretty sweet knife. And it's got tip up, left to right hand carry, the way the good Lord intended it. Anyway, holler at me down in the comments. Like I said, if you're looking to dog trade on some razors, holler at your boy. That's one of the few things you could probably talk me out of some good knives with. I've got a few packages I got to mail out this week. I don't even know if I've told those people yet that they got things coming, but they do. I might not even tell them. I might just send it on. It's telling me my battery's low. But like I said, get down in the comments, holler at your boy. Let me know what you think about this. Tell me what's going on. You guys keeping up with baseball? Who's your favorite pro team? I won't hate you if you say the Braves. I know who knows who that's sent for. They know who they are. I'm a Phillies guy, but anyway, I'm gonna get off here. I'm running into work. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.